Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, folks? It's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And you know, Alice, recently I found out the word 油。这个字油很油啊 ，oily， 对不对？有可能是吃东西觉得很油，但也有可能呢是这个加油哦。
去加油站要
加油那种油，也有可能是沾酱的酱油是油。
还有啦啦队都要加油
对，油这个字还真油啊，
真多油。
I know. This term oil or gas is called 油 in Chinese, and I'm sure it can be applied differently in Hakka too. It could mean sauces, it could mean gasoline, it could mean oily, it could mean go 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 when you're cheering for a team. So let's teach you all these terms that are associated with the word 油，也就是 oil. First off, let's teach people how to say gasoline, 就是汽车要用的这个汽油，对不对？ He you. Okay, that means gasoline. But if you're going to pump gas, okay, 要去加油的时候就是
He got you,
对吧？这是就要去加油站加油了。Okay, that means going to the gas station to pump gas. But 加油这个字呢，又可以是那种啦啦队式的加油，或鼓励人家这个考试加油。
对，那就是
工作加油。
Got you,
okay? When you just say got you, even though it could mean pumping gas at a station, but it also means go for it.
那
加油。
海陆腔
好啊。
Got you.
Okay, that's a different dialect for pumping gas or saying go for it. Finally, the word 油, even though it could refer to gasoline, but it also could refer to sauces like soy sauce, okay? 像酱油也是一种油。
Tell you.
tell you, 导游啦哈。
对。
That's soy sauce. Let's make a sentence out of 汽油好了，因为常常我们会注意新闻，连我们 Icrt 也会跟大家这个提醒，就是什么今天晚上油价要上升了，要上扬了，
所以要赶快去加油。
That's right. A lot of people pay attention to when gasoline prices are going up, and they usually adjust that at midnight. So 汽油又涨价了，怎么说
？He you he guy.He
guy 是
就是涨价了，
往上涨了哦，
对，
两个 he 在里面呢。He you he guy
对
that means gasoline prices are rising, are increasing. All right, let's review these terms. 汽油 gasoline,
he you,
and then pumping gas 加油
got you,
and finally 酱油 that's soy sauce.
Tell you
很好吃。好了，不要再讲吃了。That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.